Please control your mics carefully. You can unmute and mute whenever required. We'll start from the very basics. Introduction part today. To start our classes from tomorrow, we have introduction item today. What is what? For about 20 minutes. We need to step into installations tomorrow. Complete notes and interview questions, answers part of the class anyway, part of the course every day. After installation from day after tomorrow, we'll start our SQL basics. And what are the prerequisites? What about system requirements? What about the lab work? What about the assignments? How to submit them every day? We'll get them answered one by one. And every day we have specific concepts and combined with task items. Participants who do more will get more and more. I repeat, on my screen, participants who do more, who submit more, will get more and more. Every day you have assignments. I expect your submission by weekend. Monday to Friday, all assignments, please make sure we submit by weekend. Please. This way, it continues for the entire course, whichever you are opting for, like the 4 weeks course, 7 weeks course, 9 weeks course, you have different levels. We'll go there slowly, step by step now anyway. Any course you opt for, you have concept, assignment, and submit, get my answers back. That's how it is throughout the course. Let's make our classes interactive. Let's make our classes useful. So back to school after a long gap, right? I need your support. Make sure you have some observation notes, okay? Next 15-20 minutes, very important for us. So please see if you can have some observation notes, a scribbling pad and a pen, please, if possible. Please have some observation notes, a scribbling pad and a pen, if possible, please have it. Let's understand carefully step by step. Let's start from the scratch. And this is Sai Fernandra from SQL School. I assure you complete practice-oriented classes step by step right from the scratch. And need your support, need your help, love towards the subject. Let's love it together. It gives us more than what we expect. Trust me. Let's understand carefully what is database, what is SQL, and why we need it, how to learn it. Let's start from the very basics carefully. Understand slowly about these boxes, our career options. We need to slowly understand what is our job role or the possible job roles in SQL, so that we can decide to continue accordingly to the next level. Let's understand what is database to start with. Database is a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data. I repeat, database is a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data. You may ask me, Sai, why don't we store data in a PDF? Why don't we store data in Excel? And why to go for database? You may ask me like why it is, right? So here we go. Database is a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data, and very secure, very secure, like we can store passwords. We cannot store passwords in Excel, right? They are public. In database, they can be hidden. Yes, are we getting it, please? The need for databases. Mic with everyone, please. Are we getting it now, please?
Yes,
Help
sir.
me, please.
Yes.
Perfect. Okay. Others, please help me. Please help me. Are we getting it? Please, everyone, please. Yeah, I'll wait.
Yes.
Well, so database is a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data, like our passwords, government projects, wherein we have personal information like Aadhaar, SSN, etc. Right? We have every information. So how do you secure it? We need something big, something useful, something more secure. So there comes database, a powerful storage entity. Now, for everything we need a software. For Excel we need software. To open a PDF formatted resume I need a software. For Excel I need MS Office. For PDF I need Acrobat Reader or something like that. Then what about database? Database also needs a software. How it is? Let's observe carefully. The software we have in database platform is called DBMS. Remember, Database Management System. It's a software to store, secure, manage databases. SQL Server, IBM DB2, MySQL, Oracle, Sybase, etc. So different companies came with different brands of DBMS in the market. Just like mobile, we have iPhone, we have Samsung, right? Same way, DBMS also different brands from different companies. We are going with Microsoft SQL Server. Cheaper, easy to use and free support, free updates. Let's choose SQL Server, ease of use, trust me, very easy, very user friendly. We are going to start our classes practically by day after tomorrow. Today introduction, tomorrow installation. After installation, we are going to slowly step into our practice step by step. And trust me, it's very easy, straightforward, cool concept. But on-time practice required. That's the only secret here. If we delay, subject will delay, really. So with on-time practice, I'll make the things easy and interesting. It's my job. Now, what is SQL? Well, database is a platform to store any type of data, right? To talk to SQL, to talk to database, to work with database, any touch on the database, we need SQL, remember. Structured query language. I repeat again, what is that? Structured query language. So this language is used to interact with the database. It is used to perform any operation on the database, like for example, storage, data retrieval, security, management, anything on database, we need SQL. Who uses SQL? You, me, our colleagues, and our juniors and our seniors, everyone require SQL. Right from data analysts who are into reporting to managers, administration, database management, administration, machine learning, data science, data engineers, BI developers, anyone needs SQL. We are going to understand next few minutes what are our job roles, what a BI developer will do, what a data engineer will do, and what a data analyst will do with SQL, our agenda today. I repeat again, we are going to slowly step into something called databases. Okay, from day after tomorrow, we'll slowly understand how to create databases. From when? From day after tomorrow, we'll start creating databases. Tomorrow we need to do installation. We have various options, SQL way, non-SQL way to create databases. We'll do both. But why? Why to go for database? To store the data. In olden days, we store data in Excel. And now it is database. To implement database, to talk to database, we need something called SQL. Certain instructions, certain rules and format we need to follow to work with database. That is SQL. Now, why SQL? How to work with SQL? Let's understand slowly. SQL, structured query language. To talk to database on my screen, to talk to database, to read and write to database, manage database, report and analyze database, we need SQL. So everyone, SQL is our vaccine. Really, SQL is our vaccine to our resume. So we need to start with SQL concepts, basic SQL to start with, to talk to any database and then get branded. SQL has its own brand from Microsoft called MSSQL, also called TSQL. MSSQL also called Transact SQL. Remember, I repeat, MSSQL also called Transact SQL. We have various variations or various types of implementations anyway. We have something called as TSQL queries, TSQL programming, but usually we call it as MSSQL. That is Microsoft brand. And we have Oracle, PLSQL, programming language SQL, good amount of programming there, and MySQL. This way, different companies came with different brands of SQL. And we are going to work with, just wait, okay? Let me just rest my hands on my table. Please don't mind. Yes, so different types of SQL from different companies. And we are going to use Microsoft SQL in our classes. We'll start with SQL first, then slowly step into MSSQL next. So what we are going to learn, why? Let's understand slowly. And next 10 minutes, very important for tomorrow's next introduction class installation. To enjoy tomorrow's class with ease, next 10 minutes very important. What is database? A platform to store any type of data. Observe carefully. A platform to store any type of data, any amount of data is what database means. And there are different types of databases. Basic types of databases, OLTP. I'll make these notes available for you. Better you take a print copy of the notes every day, please. My kind request, black and white print should be fine. Take a print copy of the notes if possible. What are the types of databases? OLTP, online transaction processing database, to store live real-time data like live cricket match, online banking, live temperature, anything live, OLTP. Then data warehouse, to store old historical data, inactive data like past temperature data. We have data warehouse. Next, we have something called OLAP databases. What is this? For big data analytics and forecast. And the journey goes in this way. From OLTP, we design warehouse. From warehouse, we design OLAP in general. From OLAP comes HTAP, hybrid transactional analytical databases or analytical processing databases like Google Map, live tracking, historical navigations, and ETA, expected time of arrival. I repeat, live data, we have OLTP databases, developer job role, old historical data, inactive data, data engineer job role, data warehouse. BI developer job role, OLAP, analysis, forecast, predictive analysis, deep learning. A mix of all these BI consultants, HTAP databases, all in one. To work with these databases, we need a software called DBMS. This is our course. Tomorrow's agenda. A software that we are going to install tomorrow in our computer. So we need Windows 8 or higher operating system from your end. So DBMS is a software, it's a house, okay? DBMS is our house. Our house brand is SQL Server from Microsoft company. Databases are the rooms and tables are the cupboards. That's it. House, room, cupboards, columns are the shelves. Remember this until day after tomorrow. We enjoy the first example easily. House, room, cupboard, shelves, server, database, table, columns. Main advantage of SQL Server. Cheaper, on my screen, cheaper. Easy, user-friendly environment. Free and paid support. Free updates, free and paid cloud integration activities. So what more we want? It's very simple and straightforward technology, Microsoft SQL. So in our classes, we are going to install latest versions of SQL tomorrow. Repeat installation if required day after tomorrow, first half, and then start our practice from scratch. I assume we are all very, very new to our database, new to SQL. I also assume you are going to practice on time. Every class, practical. You have access to the video as well after the class. Of course, for limited amount of time, right? Usually 10 days to 2 weeks, the video would be accessible after the class from the session date. But you access it once or twice, fine, because you have the complete transcript in downloadable format. You take a print of it for future reference. So whatever notes you see here, the same format notes would be available throughout the course. Question answer with the concepts. We are going to have latest version of SQL Server tomorrow installation, editions of SQL Server evaluation, developer, enterprise, etc. After we do the installation tomorrow, then comes SQL, structured query language, a platform to communicate with any database. Then a variant of SQL called TSQL, also called MSSQL. TSQL, also called MSSQL. We are going to learn queries first. And if in case you wanted to, then you can enroll for programming as well. A variant of SQL to communicate with databases stored in Microsoft SQL Server. We'll do it carefully. And what are the career options? To make it simple and straight. Developer job role. Used for the design of OLTP databases. That is online transaction processing databases, live real-time data. Observe carefully. I repeat, live real-time data, OLTP databases. So who will take care of it? Database developer job role. Remember that. Next. Let me take you back to our Word document here. Just wait, okay? On my screen again. We have data engineers, design and manage data warehouse databases. There is a certification for it from Microsoft, DP203. data analysts, design dashboards with Power BI, separate certification PL 300, and we have recent past. The recent past you see Azure BI as well. That is database design OLTP development plus data warehouse design and development plus Power BI reports. And here we have something called Fabric as well, Microsoft Fabric. And the Microsoft certification code is DP600. Okay, this is a certification code. Next, so choice is yours. You may choose whichever you wanted to opt for. To make it clear again, let's make it clear again on my screen, just to make it in an easier way. On my screen here, just wait. Okay, just wait. On my screen now, database SQL concepts and transact SQL activities. Then we have the next item, the black box is there, right? This one, okay, warehouse, data warehouse and ETL, extract, transform, load. We have big data analytics, Power BI. So choice is yours. You can choose whichever you wanted to opt for. But before that, the basic fundamentals we should be strong enough. Yellow box. Okay. So database and SQL concepts we are going to start with. Here comes MSSQL and TSQL queries. The journey would be for 3 weeks for the yellow box. After 3 weeks, you are fond of coding, programming, then you go for box 2. If not, 1 is damn sure enough to step into data engineering and Power BI as per our class examples. And what we are going to learn in the yellow box? Yes, in the yellow box, we are going to have this keyword checklist. I'll include this along with the email to be sent after the session today. The yellow box, all these items, we need to learn with examples practically. I understand it's a bit vast, but I was telling in the starting of the class today, right? We need dedication, on-time practice required, then it works. Programming is mainly for developers. Our course is planned in such a way, the yellow box is enough for data engineering, data warehouse, and Power BI reporting. And we have data engineering, which is more into ETL, we call extract, transform, load, and data warehouse databases. And we have Power BI completely into analytics, reporting, analytic dashboards, and AI. With this information, what we are learning so far now, let's recap once again. We are understanding slowly what is database, right? What is database? A platform to store any type of data and any amount of data, fully secured and faster. And next item, come on please, do you remember what's the next item in case if you are writing your observation notes? What is DBMS, right? Remember this please, the term DBMS. Software. A software used to store and manage databases. Come on, example DBMS, SQL Server.
SQL Server, yeah. MSSQL.
Now, item 3, we are understanding what is SQL Server. A DBMS from Microsoft, and it is cheaper, $14,500 cheaper. and easy to
Easy.
use. Exactly. And user friendly. In our resume, we'll write all our strengths, right? Same thing here. Now, like resume, write our strengths. I'm talking about regular fresher resume. I still remember. We used to write my strengths, right? Like that. We need to have the advantages here. User friendly. And at the same time, rich graphical user interface. Remember this. By day after tomorrow's class, we need it. What is that? Rich GUI. Then we have number 4. What is SQL? SQL stands for structured
Structure query
query
language.
language. Exactly. Language. Okay. For what? Used to communicate with any database. For what? For storage and management activities, including reporting activities. Then we have other one, item number 5 on my screen now, called TSQL, means transact SQL, also called MSSQL, Microsoft SQL, Microsoft branded SQL. Work with Microsoft SQL Server databases for storage, management, etc. Okay, and from here we have the next one. From here we have the next one. Versions of SQL Server. I'll include all these notes anyway. Please download the notes from your email. Go through it carefully once or twice. What are the versions of SQL Server? Here it
2019
is.
and
22
present
first. Okay,
to
please have
yeah.
22 first. Latest version 2022, 2019, and 2017, etc. Same way we have what are the editions of SQL Server? Okay, editions of SQL Server. Come on, please. What are the editions of SQL Server?
Enterprise.
Yes, exactly. Enterprise. Few minutes back, I'm just giving the complete information here. Okay. Enterprise edition. Remember this. Standard edition. Developer edition. Please by heart these things carefully. We have something called evaluation edition, 6 months trial, and express edition. Very basics, very basic of express edition, mainly for students and university colleges academic projects. We have evaluation, 6 months trial, developer lifelong free, part of our classes. You will be given the software download link today on email, and please get the things downloaded. We are going to slowly step into installation tomorrow. And we need to enroll for the course only after the installation, because without practice there is no practical enjoyment of the course, right? Without the actual practice we cannot enjoy the things. So let's make sure we do the installations tomorrow together. I'll show you how to install tomorrow, and you'll do it either during or after the class tomorrow. Then you'll continue for the enrollment process. Let's put that way to make it more meaningful. Nothing to hurry, right? Everything should be safe as long as the quality is in place. We are fine with it. So please go through these items 1 to 7 carefully. Next, one more important item just to make it clear and straight. Okay, so here it is. I'll just put this way. I'll save this notes, database intro. I'll provide you these notes today along with the document, this one. I'll mail you this Word document. Better to take a print copy of the Word document if possible. It contains what is what, basic level. Go through it carefully. And this is a complete single screen synopsis. I'll include this particular information as well, second document. And then we have third one. Total 3 things to be sent on email today. The third one is about, yes, here it is. I'll just put this way, just wait, okay, please wait. The third one is about our course curriculum, like what we are going to learn in our classes. What is there in yellow box? You got the complete step-by-step detailed chapter-wise curriculum. Box 1, what is included? Box 2, what is included? 3, etc. You got everything. 4 and 5, 6, etc. You got everything here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Including Microsoft Fabric, just in case if you're planning for any experienced. Just see if we can go through the box-wise content carefully. If we are from non-IT background, then I suggest you opt for 1,6 non-IT background starter profile. Experience profile 1, 6 and 5. This one for non-IT. 1, 6 and 5. SQL concepts first. Power BI for data analyst. Add on data engineering, secondary skill set. You are from IT background, then go for 1,5 first. Core engineering will be your primary skill set. Secondary skill set can be 6 and or 7. Plan for big data technologies which are always in the limelight. Database administration, yes, we are on 3 schedules a day for DBA. And nowadays, truly speaking, they are slowly getting automated. So I am not dare enough to recommend a DBA for everyone. They are doing good, but slowly they are getting automated. So please recheck in case you are planning for administration. Please recheck the pace of openings and the kind of clients, companies opting for DBA. ETL, data warehouse, big data analytics always in demand. Because here we have the backend required for data science, AI, machine learning. Their backend is on the screen here. It is from data engineering and Power BI, we have machine learning activities. Let me show you practically a small screen on my computer here. Just to get some idea, okay? Here it is. This particular diagram, the end-to-end implementation involves Azure machine learning, AML we call, which is on top of data factory, data bricks. All these are nothing but our data engineering. See here, this. So this is a complete data engineering plus Power BI will be the actual basement for machine learning. So machine learning data science project requires data, right? Data engineers will be responsible to build and design that data. So the big data is always in demand. Data science projects in demand. Data engineering and Power BI always in demand. Choice is yours anyway. With this information, we'll stop for now. I request you to get at least 45 minutes to 1 hour free time every day to practice. Sessions will be in detail, trust me, detailed step by step. I trust you, you will do on-time practice. Assignments, you'll submit by weekend. Corresponding weekend, you'll submit all your assignments. Please, everyone, promise, just like mother
Yes, sir.
promise, in our childhood, we have trainer promise here. Really, trainer promise. Promise? Yes,
Sir,
please.
promise.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Please, for our sake, okay? Please, for our sake, please. Yep. So what next? That's it from hand for today. And do you have my contact number? Because we need to communicate now one-to-one in case you have any questions for me or any clarifications on our resume or any clarifications on the course selection, you can let me know. So hope you have my contact number, everyone. Please confirm, please. I'll wait.
Sir, I have one question.
Sure,
Yeah.
brother. Please wait. Please wait. Sure. Please wait.
Yeah.
Yes. Please wait. Please wait. Yeah. Others, do you have my contact number? Please, everyone. Please confirm. I'll wait, please.
Yes.
Just in case, others, please. I'll wait.
Yes.
Yes.
Fine then. Fine. Yeah. I'll do
No.
one thing. No problem. No problem. I'll do one thing. Just wait. Okay. I'll send you my. I'll send a hi message on WhatsApp. Okay. We can communicate there, and I'll be sending an email as well now with all the information. We can communicate there as well. We'll do. I'll send you my WhatsApp number on email along with the class notes. And I said I'll be providing you the download links, right? I'll be sending it now. Yes. Someone said some question, right? Yeah. Please tell me, brother. Proceed. Tell me.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Actually, I'm looking for data analyst role. So,
Okay.
actually, in this plan, I choose 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 is fine.
Oh no, brother. No, let's not overload ourselves, brother. Let me tell you frankly. Go for 1,6 enough. Initially,
That's
1,6.
okay.
Later, if required, you can do 2, 3, 4. Right? It's like a la carte. I am flexible. Okay, no problem. 1,6 initially. Do the project work. Complete it. Then go for 2, 3, 4. It will be easy for you.
Yeah, I thought actually I done this course already, like 1 and
Okay.
5,
Okay.
and I am trying to get job from past more than 6 months, 8 months.
1 and 5. Then why to go for 1 again? Not required, right? You can directly do 6. You can
Yeah,
do.
but they said for the SQL programming, query tuning as well, it will helpful for to get the job. That's the reason I choose
So are you
1,
into
2,
experience
3,
profile? Let me
4.
know. Are you into experience profile or starter profile? Let me know.
Yeah, actually, I have what? Sorry.
I'm asking like, are you into experience profile or starter profile? Which one you're in?
Starter profile.
Starter profile, then yeah, you can do programming.
Actually, I mentioned the 4 years of work experience in IT, but actually I don't have
Experience profile,
experience.
right? Then experience
Yeah.
profile. Then better to go for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. Then sure, you can do
Yeah.
that. Better. Yeah,
That's
sure.
enough. No need to do 5 Azure. It's not.
Well, for data analyst job role, as you're having 2, 3, 4, you need to do 5. If you don't have 2, 3, 4, better to do 5. Compensation. Okay, that's all.
Okay. Then I will go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 is enough for me.
Absolutely enough. You can do that. Yes, you can. Yeah.
Okay. Then yeah, thank you.
Fine, brother. Next question, please. I'll wait.
Hello, sir. Can I ask?
Tell me, sir. Please tell me, sir. Proceed.
Yes, sir. I am from the interior background. I'm a designer.
Okay.
So I'm unable to understand complete this terminology. So
Okay.
which course can I go for the next? So my brother is suggesting for the SQL Server only. So after
Okay.
that, I'm choosing any kind of.
Got it. Got it. Go for only the box one is there, right? SQL basics. Go for it.
Yes.
Box one initially. Later you can choose, right? You can do. Yes.
Yeah.
Understood,
Can I
sir?
ask?
Please wait, sister. Please wait. Please wait. Please wait, sister. Please wait. Please wait. Yes, brother. Okay, you asked me a question, right? Go only for SQL first. Okay.
So
Later you
after
can do
that,
the next item. Yes, you can do. Yes. One by one we can do. Yeah, next question, please. I'll wait.
Sir, I have asked for data analyst course, sir. They have suggested me 3 training plans. One is plan A was only Power BI and plan 2 was SQL Server plus Power BI. Plan C was SQL Server plus Power BI plus Python.
You can do that way. Yes, you can. Yes.
But I
So
did
you
not
can do.
see any
You
Python
can
in
do.
this.
Yes, madam. I understood, madam. See, Python is open source. These are all Microsoft technologies. Okay.
So after completion of SQL and Power
1,
BI,
6.
Python will be taken from another sir.
Exactly. Yes, you are right. You can do that one. Okay. So go for 1,6 first, then you can do directly Python. So for that, I'll show you here, madam. You can do that way. It works. Yeah, I'll show you.
Sir, what is the class timing from the
1 minute, sir. Please wait. Okay, let me answer the questions one by one. Okay, please wait, please. Yes, you are right. This one. So this one, madam. Go for SQL first, Power BI next, Python third. Okay, that is data analyst job role. You can do that way. So let's do 1,6 first. Power BI plan B first. 1,6. Then you go for Python next. You can do. Yes.
Okay.
Next, there was a question about the class timing. I'll just take you to our website on my screen. So here are the class timings into live online training, and here are the class timings. You can choose whichever schedule you are opting, you are comfortable with. You can choose. I would be the trainer for all these SQL schedules. Power BI, few schedules I will take care. Few other schedules, other trainer is there. Power BI, data engineering, and SQL. I will be the only trainer.
Sir, for Power BI, we can learn in 4 weeks.
Yes,
Like
4
DAX,
weeks.
queries, everything.
Why not? Why not? We can hit half centuries there. Half century Power Query, half century DAX. But on time practice required. Okay. Without that, it's not possible again.
Yeah, okay. And you practice with project on Power BI? Provide
Of
project
course, we are
real time.
supposed to.
Okay.
Yeah. We'll do it, brother. We'll do it. On my screen, brother. Let me show you the Power BI project. Let me show you. Okay. Here it is. Your interviewer asks you like what you did in the course, what you did in the project, right? They ask you.
Yeah.
What are the challenges in the project? So yes, part of our course, step-by-step requirements and solutions for the project. We have it. Yes.
Hello, sir.
Next question, please. Yes, madam.
Hello,
Please
sir.
tell me.
Yeah,
Yes.
so I'm from supply chain management background. So I do like very basic SQL for retrieving data. So what do you suggest
Okay.
for me?
Supply chain management, basic SQL concepts, madam. Then I think box one should be fine, madam. You got that yellow box is there, right? Remember?
Yeah, so I want to change my profile to like cloud. So I want to learn Azure as
Okay.
well. Yeah.
Okay. Then go for 1,5, madam. 1,5 better option. You want to go for Azure as well, you said, right? So
Yeah.
1,5 would be better option then. 10 weeks course would be better option.
Okay. So if I also take Power BI, it's an add-on, right?
Add on, it will be add on. Yeah, you're right.
Okay.
You can do.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah. But make sure, madam, like you practice on time. You said like you're from non-IT, core non-IT background, right? So better to have more effort. Okay, more practice is required actually. Yeah,
Yes.
need your
Yeah. Understood.
fine. Yeah. Yes, friends. One email sent just now. Kindly check it. I'll wait. You got one form. Please submit the form, and you'll be receiving an automated email with the download information and all. Kindly check it, friends. I'll wait. Just now you got one form. Kindly check it, please. I'll wait for some time. Kindly check it. I'll wait. You got one form over there. Kindly check. Yes, I'll wait. Yeah, please check it, friends. I'll wait.
Is it on the email?
Yeah, exactly. On the email. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
received.
Yes.
Got it, everyone, please. Yeah, next question, please. I'll wait, please.